Welcome to our in-depth review of the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, a revolutionary addition to the world of home security. In this video, we'll explore its key features, design, performance, latest deals, and help you decide whether it's the right choice for you. So, let's dive in. Key features. Cutting-edge AI technology. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni integrates advanced AI algorithms to deliver unparalleled accuracy in motion detection and object recognition. 360-degree coverage. With its innovative design, the X10 Pro Omni provides complete coverage of your home, ensuring no blind spots for intruders to exploit. Customizable alerts. Tailor the alerts to your preferences with customizable notification settings, keeping you informed and in control at all times. Design and features. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends into any home decor. Its compact size makes it easy to install in various locations, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. Featuring a wide range of features such as night vision, two-way audio, and smart integration with virtual assistants, the X10 Pro Omni offers versatility and convenience like never before. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni truly shines. With its high-resolution camera and advanced AI capabilities, it accurately detects and distinguishes between humans, pets, and objects, minimizing false alarms and providing you with peace of mind. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, the X10 Pro Omni delivers crystal-clear video footage, ensuring that you never miss a moment of what matters most. Latest deals. Before you make your decision, be sure to check out the latest deals and discounts available for the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Keep an eye out for special promotions and bundle offers that could save you money while enhancing your home security setup. Should you buy it? Now, the big question. Should you invest in the Eufy X10 Pro Omni? If you prioritize top-notch security, seamless integration, and user-friendly features, then absolutely. Its advanced technology and reliable performance make it a worthwhile investment for safeguarding your home and loved ones. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni exceeds expectations in every aspect, from design and features to performance and value. With its state-of-the-art technology and affordable price point, it's a game-changer in the realm of home security. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your protection with the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. If you are interested on the product, then you can buy it from the link given in video description. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. If you're ready to take your home security to the next level, click the link below to get yours today.